Let's be brutally honest. If you're the side chick, the damage isn't happening to you, it's happening inside of you. Not because you're weak, not because you're desperate, but because every time you accept being hidden, you're teaching your self-worth how to disappear. And the longer you stay, the quieter your inner voice becomes. First, being the side chick trains you to accept disrespect as normal. You're not low maintenance. You're under-prioritized. You're not understanding. You are over-sacrificing. With every unanswered message, every canceled plan, every "I'll see" instead of a decision, your nervous system learns a dangerous lesson. Love is inconsistent. Affection must be earned. Clarity is optional. And once that belief settles in, you start tolerating what once would have offended you. Secondly, you stop asking for more because you are afraid to lose less. You want commitment, but you don't ask. You want honesty, but you settle for half-truths, because deep down you know asking for more might expose the truth that he never planned to give it. So you choose silence over rejection, and silence always costs you more. Thirdly, you start competing instead of being chosen. Side chick energy lives in comparison. You compare bodies, lifestyles, positions, not because you lack confidence, but because secrecy forces competition. And competition rewires your mind to believe, if I just become better, I'll finally be chosen. But love that requires rivalry was never meant to be won. Fourth, your self-worth becomes conditional. Your mood rises when he texts. It crashes when he disappears. His attention becomes your validation. His absence becomes your anxiety. That's not desire. That's emotional survival mode. And survival mode has no room for self-respect. Fifth, you learn to shrink to stay home. You stop expressing needs. You stop setting boundaries. You stop being fully seen. You become agreeable, flexible, quiet. Not because that's who you are, but because that's what keeps him around. And every time you shrink, you move further away from yourself. Number 6, the hard truth nobody wants to say. You don't lose your self-worth overnight. You trade it, one compromise at a time. And no matter how strong, beautiful, or confident you are, hidden love always costs something. Lastly, the moment everything changes. The shift happens when you stop asking, why doesn't he choose me? And start asking, why am I choosing this? That's where your power comes back. Because love doesn't need secrecy. Respect doesn't require patience. And commitment doesn't need convincing. If he wanted to choose you, he would. And if he hasn't, it's time you choose yourself. Let this be the moment you stop romanticizing being chosen in private and start demanding to be chosen out loud. Because love that hides you isn't protecting you, it's erasing you. If this message hit a nerve, that's not shame, that's self-awareness waking up. So here's your move. If you're done shrinking, done waiting, done negotiating your worth, subscribe. Not for entertainment, for clarity, for growth, for the version of you that doesn't accept crumbs anymore. Comment, I choose me, if you're ready to walk away from anything that keeps you small. This channel is for women who are done being an option and ready to become the standard.